Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change website logo in Hostinger website builder. So let's see how we can do it. Log into your Hostinger Edge panel. Now from the left menu click on websites. Click on edit website next to your Hostinger website. Now from the top we will select the header section. So our header section is now selected. Now we will select the logo. If the logo is not appearing on your website, from the layout just turn it on. After that select logo from here, click on replace image, click on upload files, just select the logo file and then click on open. I have already uploaded the logo, so I will select it. And as you can see that our logo is now changed. You can also increase or decrease the width of your logo from here. Once you're done, from the top just click on update website, and in this way your website will be updated with the new logo. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.